Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 63 how to add friends to your close friends list on Instagram using your iPhone. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to the iPhone itself, the Instagram application. So now we can go all the way to the iPhone, go to Instagram, click on Instagram, make sure you're signed into the account, go to your profile. Go to the right top corner of the screen, click on the three lines. Go to close friends and now search for a friend. In this case, I will be searching for my other account. There we go, add. And now my second account has been added to close friends list. Done. Go back to your profile. Go back to your iPhone homepage. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.